everyone, Christmas is coming soon, so let's decorate cake today. Here we are going to make a shape of Santa Claus. We are using this red color of cream and similar way we are going to give it further shape. We are making the Santa Claus hat and then we are also giving shape to its face. We are making its mustache, eyes like we are doing here, and you can use these type of cake decorations at your Christmas party and look, it is ready. Here we are going to decorate this cake for Halloween night. We are making different elements like spider and spider web on the top of this cake. You can customize it according to your wish. Like we are making here, it is very easy to make. We are also making ghost on the top of the cake and on the sides as well. Similar way, we are adding the monster pumpkin and look, it is ready. Let's decorate these cupcakes for Christmas Day. We are using this green whipped cream and we are making the Christmas tree. We are also cutting these strawberries and making the Santa Claus as well. We are making different types of Christmas tree. Sprinkle some candies as well. Now we are going to make the Santa Claus and some animals as well. You can also make a reindeer in place of this and look, it is ready. Let's make a Christmas tree cake for your guest. First we are going to make the stand and put the bread like this. We are going to give it shape now. We are going to make a cone shape, so add more sponge on the top of it and start cutting it using a scissor and cutter from its sides and give it a shape of cone. After this we are going to cover it using this white whipped cream and similar way put this green cream on the top of it. Now we are going to spread these green and make the leaves of the tree, so put it like this. We are also covering using this brown cream and make the tree trunk, make the snow and all the ornaments as well, and look, your Christmas tree cake is ready. We are going to decorate this cake for Halloween, so we are making a pumpkin monster here. We are making the eyes first. You can also outline it for better drawing. Now we are going to make the scary face, its mouth, draw its eyes. We are making chocolate filling here and similar way we are making its teeth as well. Add more details like this and look, your scary Halloween pumpkin face is ready. Let's decorate cake for Halloween. We're using pastel colors here. First spread this pink color at the base. Similar way we are adding more details like spider and spider web. You can show your creativity here. You can put different objects like these pumpkin biscuits and bats as well, and look, your Halloween cake is ready. Let's make sunflower here. We are going to decorate it. Similar way we are making the petals. Remove it slowly from the nozzle like this, and similar way we are going to add more details at the center part. Here you can use chocolate garnish at the top of it. Similar way we are making the leaves at the side of the cake like this, and we are going to spread it evenly. You can also draw lines on it. You can use a brush for finishing, and look, your sunflower cake is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.